10 reasons why many Fiverr sellers do not make money on Fiverr is what I'm talking to you about now, and I am starting right away. Welcome back. What are the reasons why many Fiverr sellers do not make money on Fiverr? That is what I'm addressing today. It is no news that a lot of people are making money on Fiverr while many others are not making money on Fiverr. Why are people making money on Fiverr and why are others, so many others, not making money on Fiverr? Number one, it is better to let you know from the start that Fiverr is a place for the skilled to make money. If you do not have any skill, don't waste your time setting up a seller profile on Fiverr. If you don't have any skill, you can go to Fiverr to buy services and maybe goods sometimes. But if you have a skill, then you can find a way to Fiverr. But if you don't have a skill, please don't try going on Fiverr because you are not going to make a dime. You don't just need a skill to make money on Fiverr. You need a competitive and highly demanded skill. You need to learn how to do what many others don't want to learn, and that thing that is learned is highly needed. So whatever you are learning or the skill you are into must be a skill that is in high demand. That is when you are going to get buyers to buy from you on Fiverr. If that is your case, you will get many orders on Fiverr. Some people will say that they can click something and make money. You can't make money on Fiverr by clicking something or watching videos. If watching videos is all that is needed to make money, to make good money, then my children and all the children in my neighborhood will just be watching and making money. They'll be watching movies and making money. Some people will say you can watch movies and make money. Go and ask them how much have they made. Some people will say you can click something and make money online. It is not like that. All that money that is made is just being recirculated. You can't even withdraw the money. Now, back to the topic of why some people do not make money on Fiverr. The second reason why many Fiverr sellers do not make money on Fiverr is because they do not set up their gig profile very well. Many sellers on Fiverr do not set up their gig profile very well. Because of this, they do not make money on Fiverr. Their profile picture is bad. Their description is bad. Their gig description is bad. Every metric used to identify a good Fiverr profile is bad in their case. Such people will not even get impressions, not to talk of clicks and orders. Number 3 reason why many people do not make money on Fiverr is because that their gig setup is bad. This is similar to the Fiverr profile setup that I've spoken about in number 2, but it is different. Setting up a gig on Fiverr can take you 30 minutes, depending on how good you are with graphics and writing and editing. This is because you need to put up about 3 thumbnails for your gallery to show pictorially to buyers what you have to offer. In fact, that is the first thing that buyers will see when they search for a service that is related to what you are offering on Fiverr. A good thumbnail will make them click your gig description. If you make them click your gig description, if good, will make them buy too. Some keywords should be in the gig description with other explanation. That will show that you know the service you are rendering well. Even if you see similar gig descriptions, you must know how to edit the description to suit your person. Now you are offering a particular service on Fiverr, you must know how to set the description to suit your own personality. That will bring them to you. Even if you look at somebody's gig description, you copy somebody's gig description, you must edit it to your own. Somebody say my name is so, you too go and put that person's name as your own name. And some students do that in school. They put somebody else's number, somebody else's everything, details. As they are copying, they copy the person's name too. And that is not good enough. Now, if you are copying even somebody's profile, because there's no how actually you are going to write your own profile without seeing somebody's profile. There's no how you can write a good project without seeing somebody else's project. There's no way you can write a paper without seeing somebody else's paper. There's no way you can write an article without ever seeing an article before. So you must see something that you are going to adapt to your own. They are going to take as the base, as your protocol. And then that is what you're going to use to build on, and then you improve based on your own personality. Now, if you take somebody's gig, copy somebody's gig, and then you just copy it verbatim, that will not be good. So you have to take time to write the gig description, to do your thumbnail, to even do a video of the service you are rendering on Fiverr. You do a video and you upload it. So people come to Fiverr, they click the video, they see, okay, this person I want to give the service to, see the way he's speaking, see the way everything, they trust you, they can give the service to you. Number 4 is that reason why many Fiverr sellers do not make money on Fiverr is because they as sellers go to Fiverr once in a while. Fiverr is like a shop, and then you go to your shop once in a while. You don't go to your shop every day. You don't go to your shop every time. If you go to your shop once in a while, some customers will come, they will meet the shop locked, they won't come again. And once they meet it locked once, twice, 3 times, they won't even branch, they won't put in their agenda, they look for another shop somewhere where they can be going to buy from. So if you as a seller on Fiverr in a while, what it means is that you will not know when buyers make requests or when they message you. You may not even know when you get an order. All this will make Fiverr not to show your gig to buyers. Some buyers will even look for sellers who are online that they can chat with before they place an order. The 5th reason why many Fiverr sellers do not make money on Fiverr is because they are not conversant with global trends on greetings and communications. If you are a Nigerian and an American wants to buy from you on Fiverr, how do you greet? How do you communicate? You have to know how Americans communicate. If you are dealing with an Asian on Fiverr, you have to know how Asians communicate. If you are dealing with an European on Fiverr, you have to know how Europeans communicate. If you are dealing with an Arab or a fellow Nigerian, you have to know how Nigerians communicate. And then you communicate that way. That will show to the person that you know what you are doing. If you communicate in an odd manner, the buyer may be put off. You need to learn a lot about different cultures in order to respond well at every opportunity. Opportunity to respond on Fiverr will come. You need to know how to respond well. Somebody have said, even when you are typing, you are speaking. You may say, I'm not speaking, but when you are typing, the way you are typing, what you are typing is like you are speaking. So the person can know. So learn how to respond to people from different cultures and communicate well. Another reason why many Fiverr sellers do not make money on Fiverr is that they don't meet up with time schedules or deadlines. When you get an order on Fiverr, and you don't respond on time, that can cost you sales and orders. When you fail to meet up with an order, you are telling Fiverr that you are busy. You are also telling the client that you can't be trusted. This is because you agreed before the order was given. Now, when an order is given, you agree for 24 hours. You agree for 7 days. Then the task linger. You didn't complete it until after 14 days, until after 8 days, until after 9 days. They will not take you seriously. So when you agree from the start, from the word ab initio, on how fast you are going to complete the task, make sure that you complete the task in record time so that they can trust you that you are going to meet up with them. In fact, if you give them 7 days, you should complete it in 3 days and 4 days, and then you submit to them. And pronto, they know that this person knows what he's doing and is serious about what he's doing. Number 7 reason why many Fiverr sellers do not make money on Fiverr is that their name on Fiverr is different from the service that they render. Somebody on Fiverr is called Crypto Trader, and he is actually a comedy blog article writer. That does not go together, and buyers will think twice before giving the person a job or contacting the person at all. Buyers have no time to waste. Now, you said your name on Fiverr is Crypto Trader, and then you are a crypto trader. So anything crypto trading should be supposed to come to you. Now we are writing article on blog, comedy articles for people, and you are a crypto trader. They won't take you serious. How come this guy doesn't mean you didn't make it in crypto? There is coming to Fiverr or what is happening. So what it means is that your niche, your name should match your niche. Your name should match your niche. If you are writing on comedy, your name should be comedy writer, comedy article, comedy number 1, comedy man, comedy woman, comedy girl, comedy something like that. That will go with comedy. Or you can say laugh something, laugh man, laugh woman, laugh BJ, laugh KKK, all that kind of thing like that. It shows when you are having comedy, there's laughter involved. So the name that you be on Fiverr, your username on Fiverr should go along with the service that you are rendering. The 8th reason why many people do not make money on Fiverr is that their profile description is different from their gig description. You see, this is similar to the crypto trader I spoke about in number 7. This means that they originally created the profile for a different niche or a different category of service. Such persons should close, and they will need to close that Fiverr account and maybe open another Fiverr account, and you need to wipe out that Fiverr account or whatever they have to do just to restart afresh, so that you understand from the word ab initio your niche. Your name on Fiverr, your username should go along with your niche, what you want to do on Fiverr. If you're an app developer, if you're a website developer, then put something that is related to that in as your username, and then your description should show how you qualify to write to do app applications for people. Then your gig description per se will now go into detail of what you want to do provided that gig. When they look at your description of your profile, it should match the gig you are talking about. When they look at your name, it should match the gig, that description that you are given on Fiverr. The ninth reason why many Fiverr sellers do not make money on Fiverr is because they charge very high fees for their work. Sellers are competing on Fiverr. Some will say they will offer a service for $100. Some others charge will do the same service for $10 or even $5. You have to be flexible with pricing in order to make money. This comes with critical thinking. So you have to think critically. As you are chatting with somebody, you ask the person, what is your budget if you are going to chat? If you charge somebody, okay, I'm going to charge you $20, but what is your budget? I can work with your budget. You see, that shows that you really need the job. Most times the person will say, this job is good for $20, it will give you. Sometimes they'll say, okay, please do it for me $15. Next time I'm going to pay you $20. You go ahead and do it. If you don't do it, somebody else is waiting to do it even for $5 or for $10. I mean, it may surprise you. I write articles for blogs on Fiverr sometimes. And then I messaged somebody and I saw what he wanted to offer. And I messaged him. I saw that you go to write 15 articles for $5. I messaged him. It's very ridiculous amount. It's like $1 per article. So I messaged him. I said, do you mean? He said, yes. He will write 40 blog articles for me for a ridiculous amount. I can't take that kind of money from anyone. So you have to think critically based on the customer you are dealing with. The number 10 reason why many sellers do not make money on Fiverr is because they do not respond to buyer requests at all. You see, if you're a new seller on Fiverr, buyer request is your friend. As a new seller, you can respond to 10 buyer requests per day. That is the maximum you can respond to per day. That means in 1 week has 7 days, you can respond to 70 buyer requests in 1 week. If you respond to 70 buyer requests in 1 week, how is it that you are not going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, even 7 orders in a week? Even if you're on Fiverr, you know that one order or 2 orders or 3 orders or 4 orders in a week is okay for you depending on the price, because sometimes of the work demanding and other things. Now, this is the 10th reason. As a new seller, you can respond to 10 buyer requests per day. This means in a week, you can respond to 70 buyer requests. You can reach sellers via buyer requests. If they do not reach you via your gig, some buyers will not come to you through your gig. They just click and they will go. They won't communicate with you. You go to buyer requests and communicate with them. Respond to buyer requests and communicate with them. You have a chance on the buyer request response to reduce your price, offer more, and give the buyer reasons to buy from you in your response to the buyer request. The buyer request is your savior on Fiverr. If you are a new seller, respond to it properly, knowing that you have competitors. You who are responding on Fiverr also. You have competitors on Fiverr, so buyer request is your opportunity. Maybe your gig, something is wrong with it. You go to buyer request and respond properly. And then the person is saying, this service, the person will put the price, will put all the conditions. You will respond that you are going to give the person double what the person is asking for. Maybe the person asks for one thing for $10, telling that you do 2 things for him for $10 in the buyer request. The person is saying you want it in 7 days. The person, no, you don't need to wait in 7 days, I'll do it in 5 days. The person is saying, another time the person is saying $100. You say this thing $100, I will do it for you at $70. And I'm going to give you, instead of 4,000 words, I'm going to make it 5,000 words for you. The person will buy from you because you know what other person is offering that kind of this thing that competes on Fiverr. So don't just behind yourself. The person says his budget is $70. Then you are saying no, it's $150 that the person should pay. The person will not buy from you. So you have to come down because by request. You could do that just to get order. And then when you get other people say, there's an order in queue, this person is serious, because you show there's an order in queue, this person is serious on Fiverr, Fiverr will be showing you to people. So some people just do the order, $5. Some work that should take $50, do it for $5, so that the algorithm of Fiverr can show that they're getting order. When you're getting order, you're a good seller, then the algorithm will shoot you up so that more people will be able to see you. Number 11 is a bonus. As I said, 10 reasons. And it is an important reason why many Fiverr sellers do not make money on Fiverr. Many Fiverr sellers do not advertise their gig outside of Fiverr. Paid ads and free ads exist. You can do free ads by posting your Fiverr gig links on social media. You can do paid ads via Google Ads, Facebook ads, and many more. So there are links, there are groups on Facebook, there are groups here and there that you can reach out to and put your Fiverr gig link there, and then they can see the service you provide. They can come to you to buy. There are different groups on social media. Post your gig link there to show your service, and they will come to Fiverr to buy from you. It's not in all cases that they will come to Fiverr to buy from you. They can get to Fiverr if you miss any of this. Now you have posted your gig on different links. The people now click, they come to Fiverr, they say hi on Fiverr, and you are not there. Yeah, you didn't open the shop, you didn't visit the app. That is how they're going. Immediately they will see other people running the similar service, and then they will go to them, they click on. So that means you have to be available every time. You can be available every time by having your email, because when anybody message you, it will immediately show in your email. You can open your email, can be on your phone, so that every 30 minutes you just check. You just check whether they send a message from Fiverr. Once you send a message from Fiverr, quickly go to the Fiverr app on your phone or on your laptop, and then you open and then you address it. You can open the app, you open the website. It's best you open the app on your phone, and then on your laptop you get to the website. Now, these are the reasons why many Fiverr sellers are not getting orders on Fiverr. These are also the reasons why many Fiverr sellers are not making money on Fiverr. Fiverr is not cheap or free money. Fiverr is for the skilled and hardworking. Will you overcome the reasons and make money on Fiverr? Fiverr is for the skilled and hardworking. You have to be skillful and you have to be hardworking. If you're not hardworking, you cannot make money on Fiverr. If you're lazy, ordinary work, you just say carry this chair to that place and come back. You can't do it. Then you come, you say you want to make money on Fiverr because you hear people are making money on Fiverr. You will not make a dime on Fiverr. Instead, you just waste your data on Fiverr and nothing will come out of it. So if you don't have a skill, go and learn a skill. And if you want to know the skill you can learn, you can chat me up in the comment section below and tell me your own peculiarity, and I will guide you on what you can do. Now, everything I've talking about, if you need help on how to set up your Fiverr gig for your Fiverr page, you can contact me. I'm going to help you for free to set it up. I'm going to guide you. And you can also get guidance in the videos I've done so far. I've done about 16 videos already. I'm talking about Fiverr on my YouTube channel. Go to the playlist talking about Fiverr money and check it out, and you are going to be glad you did. My name is Olubenga Adetitun, and I am your host on this YouTube channel. Now, what you can do for me is to subscribe to this channel. Number 2 thing you can do for me is to like this video. Number 3 things you can do for me is to share the link of this video on social media and with your friends. And then number 4 things is to comment in the comment section below. Number 5 things you can do for me is to watch other videos that I have done. I've done more than 500 videos talking about different aspects of life, how to make money, talking about family, talking about different things, knowledge base, and many other things. I'm going to be happy to have you to keep coming to my channel. And if you have any personal challenge on how to make money, whether offline or online, you can contact me, and I'll be going to be glad to share my experiences with you and to help you in any way that I can. Until I come your way another time. Bye for now. Some people have been trying to contact me personally, and they're asking me how they can contact me personally. If you desire to have one-on-one discussion with me, you can send me a WhatsApp message via 080-36910-988. 080-36910-988. Just send WhatsApp message only and ask your question, and I'm going to respond.